Assalamualaikum. I am Fozia Ballas. Exercise General Mathematics for class 9th. Exercise 1.4, question number 4. Shumaila and Hina saved rupees 325 and rupees 450 out of their monthly salaries of rupees 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. Who saved more? We have to find their saving solution. Shumaila saved rupees 325 out of 8,000. It means 325 divided by 8,000. We simplify this by using table of 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are 25. Next we have 8,000. 5 ones are 5. 30. 5 6 are 30. And we write it as 65 divided by 1600. Hina saved 450 out of 10,000. It means 450 divided by 10,000. We solve it on rough portion. Nine fives are 45. So we have 90 divided by 200. Next we have to solve their ratio. Shumaila ratio Hina 65 divided by 1600 ratio 90 divided by 200 multiplied by multiplied by 1600. We have 65 ratio 90 divided by 200 multiplied by 1600. We solve it by dividing 1600 over 200. And we got 8 2s are 16. 65 ratio 90 multiplied by it has 9 multiplied by 8. So we have 65 ratio 72. Thus Hina saved more than Shumaila. Question number 5. Umar spent rupees 145 and Ali spent 175 out of their monthly pocket money of rupees 200 and 250 respectively. Who spent comparatively more? Now we have to solve this. Solution. Umar spent 145 out of 200, which means 145 divided by 200. This is equal to, we solve it on rough portion, 145 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Next we have 200, 5 4s are 20, so we have 29 divided by 40. Ali spent rupees 175 out of rupees 250, which means 175 divided by 250. 175 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Next we have 250. 5 5s are 25. So we have 35 divided by 50. Next again we divide both up and down on table of 5. 5 7s are 35 and 5 10s are 50. So we have their ratio, Umar ratio Ali, 29 divided by 40, 7 divided by 10, multiplied by 40. 40 because we have more value in this part, so we multiplied bigger value. When we multiply 40 here, we cross 40 and we get 29 ratio. 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 40. So 29 ratio. 7 multiplied by 4. 7 multiplied by 4 we get 28. 29 ratio 28. Thus Umar spent more.